Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bam of Adobo Tech, and on my back is the Predator gaming chair. This is the limited edition Predator League 2020 gaming chair, but hindi mo siya pwedeng mabili on any store. So the only way to get this chair is to buy one of these Predator gaming laptop. So tulad nitong hawak ngayon, this is the Predator Helios 300. So pag bumili ka nitong Predator gaming laptop, you can get this Predator gaming chair for free. Right, diba? So you get a gaming laptop and a free gaming chair. Saan ka pa, diba? This is to complete the gaming experience. So bago ko i-unbox itong Predator Helios 300, ito munang gaming chair ang i-unbox ko. Okay? So before I start, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below of this video. Would really appreciate it. And you could also visit my website at www.adobotech.net. Okay, so I guess it's time to unbox itong gaming chair. Time to open up itong box ng gaming chair. Okay, so first, meron siyang kasamang tools. Okay, this is good. So we have some tools here and some screws. Okay. So this looks like yung armrest. Okay. And we have another one here. Okay. So let's see what else. Hop. So syempre, importante, assembly instruction. Okay, so you just need to follow it, yung step-by-step instruction. Okay. So, what else? What we got here? Syempre, you have yung base ng chair. So, para siyang starfish. And, let's see. Ano pa meron? Let's go. So, this looks like yung back rest. Oh, nice. So, maganda yung texture. Looks like synthetic leather. So, nice. Okay, that's the back. This is where you put on the screws. Nice. Okay. All right. So let's set this aside for a while. So ito yung backrest ng gaming chair. Whoa, now that looks really nice. So you have the Predator logo. So maganda yung feel. So curved din yung likod. Siyempre, nandito yung gulong. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So you got 5 roller wheels. Okay, so nice. Okay, so last but not the least is chair lift control. It's time to assemble itong Predator gaming chair. First part of the assembly is to yung sa base. So I need to install yung part ng base at yung lalagyan ng chair mismo. Okay, so dito na siya, and ito yung base ng chair. So let's see. Let's check. So ito yung stem, or andito yung gas leaf area ng chair. Okay, so looks like ganun siya. And I need to put this bottom part dito sa area na to. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so I guess that's it. Wala siyang screws na kailangan. Just make sure it's firm. Okay. Okay, so first part. Next is I need to install yung mga castors niya or yung rollers. So I got 5 of them. So madali lang din naman siya ikabit since doesn't need any screws. So lagay mo lang siya doon sa right place niya. So doon sa hole. First one. Okay, so just like that. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. And of course yung last one. Okay, so that's it. Install na siya. Okay, so nakaset up na yung base. Next on the instruction, yung gas leaf control doon sa base or doon sa upuan mismo ng chair. For this one, I'm going to need yung included na tools and screws. Okay, so kailangan ko lang sundan yung arrow. So it says here front. That's it. So ganun lang siya. Align ko lang dun sa screws. Okay, so I got it wrong. It should be like that. Kasi andun yung front arrow pala. So medyo mali ako. Okay, so let's start over again. I'll just follow the arrow. So front area. So okay, so good thing. So now naka-reveal na itong screws. I think ito yung para sa backrest. So 4 din na screws meron din siya rito. Okay, so gamitin ko lang ito included tools. Hawak ko na ngayon yung 4 na screws at yung Allen wrench. Okay, so higpitan ko lang siya. Na-install ko na yung seat control. Yung next step niya is to install yung backrest ng chair. Okay, so this is the backrest. So medyo nag-struggle ako in pushing itong part na to para may lagay yung screws. But so far, okay naman. So, just need to secure itong back. Okay, so that's it. Secured. Okay. So almost done. So that's a nice looking chair. Okay, so next to assemble is yung armrest. Okay, so yung armrest, meron siyang hole rito sa side. And here, doon sa seat area. Okay, so that one is done. The other one. Almost done. Okay, so last part, it says here, push firmly. Make sure the seat match two gas leaf well. For the final assembly. So ito yung gas leaf. So I'll just put this just like that. Ito na yung limited edition Predator League 2020 gaming chair. Nice. Okay, so that's it. This is the limited edition Predator League 2020 gaming chair. Now, I'm ready for serious gaming. Again, this is Bam of Adobo Tech, and thank you for watching. Now back to work.